US crude and NG again trading with a little drop. But what is going to happen today? Which position you should take in order to make profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. And yes, if you are committing this mistake by not subscribing this channel or by not watching till the end, definitely you are missing on the profits. Do listen to it carefully, do understand the strategy, and definitely you will profit. So yes, this is the daily strategy we provide at the time of Asia session so that you can make profit throughout the day. But do subscribe the channel, do like, comment and share also. Let's start the day with US crude first, followed with this we will look into NG. Now first we'll see the hourly charts here. On the hourly charts it appears it is giving a bearish drop, and see this is a breakout here below 92. It has given a drop, and now it is also below the first support at 91.2. so it is trying to trade bearish, but also remember on the Bollinger Band support might come into picture at around 90.2 levels, which should be a very strong support also, as I shared in my weekly analysis. So yes, you can go short here at 90 levels. Below 90 definitely it will call for a good drop, as it may try to attempt and achieve my near term target of 84 and $80. But let's have a more cautious look. Now see on the hourly charts, 91.5 is a resistance, 90.5 is a good support, and then 90.2 is a good support. So this is what we can observe here. Directional movement is bearish on the hourly charts. Stochastic was oversold, now looking upwards. So this is one observation. MACD is bearish and it may try to converge. This is another observation. RSI is looking downward. So yes, it may try to take a support at here and then may reverse a little. It appears. Look at the 2-hour charts. It has completed the journey till here, as it has seen the rise from here, retracement rise, lower highs, and it has completed the journey here. See, important is that it has achieved a little further lows than what we had seen from where the rally had started. Now if you look closely, this is trying to create a symmetry, so it may consolidate a bit here and then look downwards till towards 88 again and breach 88. This is what it appears. See, it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands at the 100 period moving average on the 2-hour charts, and hence only short entry I will recommend if you see it trading below either 90.5 or 90.2 level. So safe entry is below 90.2. If you see trading below 90.2, you can go short, and a long entry above 91.5 can be taken. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic on the 2-hour charts is again at bottom, and if you look at the MACD, this is also white divergent bearish. RSI is looking downwards, so probably it appears it may try to consolidate a bit. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts also lower highs trying to create a symmetry out there. Be watchful. Once it breaks below 90, yes, it may call for a stronger drop, which might bring it till towards 89.2, 89 and then 88 levels. So be careful of 90 levels, and till the time it trades between 90.5, 91.5 and 90.5 at least, you should not take a trade in between this $1. Look at the 3-hour charts also. Lower highs consistently, flat bottom or slightly little higher lows. That is what we are looking at. But this 3-hour candle has just started. Only long entries above 91.5, then you can expect 92, which is going to be fairly very strong resistance, and beyond that it will fly. So do not take a long entry till 90.5, and yes, you can take a short entry below 90.5 then, but you have to be very attentive till $90 levels. First support at 90.2, then $90 levels. It can reverse from here. Below 90, yes, you can expect it to drop further till towards 89.5, 89.2 and 89. Below that we can see 88 levels also. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is at bottom, hence you can expect that we may see a consolidatory or sideways movement for a little while now. Directional movement is bearish. It is divergent. RSI is looking downwards also, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts likewise 91.5 very strong resistance, only above which you can go long. Support there, and see it is trying to form a classical pattern, probably another red candle, and then it may come back till towards 89 or 88 levels. Now look closely on the 4-hour charts. If you look at the 4-hour chart, see the support here at 90 is going to be strong, and this is trying to trade in this channel. Higher highs, higher lows, probably it may come back till towards 90 and may continue to remain bullish. If you see a support there at 90, a rise from there, still yes, this is possible that it can retrace, but only long entry still I will recommend is above 91.5. Till the time it trades below 91.5, do not go long. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold on the 4-hour charts. MACD has just crossed over. It is bearish and it may continue to remain so. This is the crossover. After a little while it may sustain. RSI looking downwards. The on the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. On the daily charts, see here, it can form a low at 90.5. Yes, possible. And even if it forms a low at 90.5, it can reverse, and yes, you can go long at 91.5 beyond that 92, and then we can expect it to retrace till towards 93 and 94 levels. Also, if it breaks past 94, definitely we can see a very strong bullish move ahead, else it may continue to drop. Directional movement is bearish on the daily charts, and if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought near to overbought levels. Now looking downwards, if you look at the MACD, this is wide divergent and bullish here, and if you look at the RSI, this is comfortable. So considering this, go long at 91.5 and go short at 90.5. Below 90.5, see, it may come back till towards 90.2, 90, and in fact little tad below 90 levels it may breach and bounce back. So be attentive and be cautious in, and below 90, if it sustains, it should not be a touch and go situation. It has to sustain for at least a little while, and then you can expect 89.5, 89.2, and then 88 levels can also be expected. If it continues to trade and sustain below 90, you can expect that the next target is towards 88 and 84 levels on the upside. If it crosses beyond 91.5, consider that as reversal. You can go long there. Then the target, first target is 92, then 93 and 94. These three levels you should be cautious of. Beyond 94, it will fly high. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at NG. NG on the hourly charts giving red candles, and yes, the resistance there at 8.7 is important. If it breaks beyond 8.7, go long till the time it trades below 8.7. It may try to come back and look for this zone, which is precisely at 8.5. 8.5 is a very strong support, and this zone precisely between 8.4 and 8.5 you should be cautious of on the hourly charts. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is bearish. It is looking downwards. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, likewise you will find it is looking for a drop here, and this is the second red candle. So yes, be watchful of 8.7 today. Only long entry is below 8.7, only short entry below 8. Rather, we'll confirm a short entry a little while. Just first let's have a look, and yes, you can see this is the bullish channel, and it is trying to come out of this. The support zone here is strong at 8.5. Remember, below 8.5 you can still expect it to drop a little, and then 8.4 levels will come into picture. See, 8.5, 8.4 zone is very important for NG. If it sustains below 8.4, it will call for more bears out there. Stay cautious. Directional movement is bullish. It is willing to converge. Stochastic is oversold with the vertical fall with just 2 candles. Directional MACD is wide divergent bearish. If you look at the RSI, this is looking downwards. Likewise, if you see on the 3-hour charts, it appears it has formed a top out there, lower highs, and it is trying to trade with a drop. Yes, you can go short below 8.58, and then you can expect 8.5 and 8.4 levels to provide very strong support. 8.3 is the next support. Then below that you can expect a strong crash out there, which may take it below $8 levels. Directional movement bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic looking downwards, coming to oversold levels. See, this move has got the MACD to crossover, and it is now into bearish zone. It is wide divergent. So in fact, if it retraces on the upside till the time it trades with a crossover on the sell side, yes, you can remain short. RSI was overbought. Now looking downwards, it may try to consolidate it a bit before it looks over to a further drop. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, this is the first red candle, and also this is a breakout here. It was trading in this channel. This is a breakout here. You can remain short with the stop loss at 8.7. I will target for 8.5, 8.4, 8.3 levels, and below 8.3 it can go till towards $8. If not today, possibly tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we can see those levels if it continues to trade below 8.4, 8.5. Directional movement is bullish, willing to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is also looking to converge, crossover for a sell entry, and it may continue to remain in a bearish zone. RSI looking downwards. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we have seen lower highs, we have seen lower lows. So in fact, this zone at 8.7 and 8.5, this is a very strong, or rather, if you want to take a safe and a positional trade, between 8.7 and 8.5, rather eliminate or avoid trading below 8.5. Yes, you can expect a little more bearishness. Then you can expect 8.4, 8.3 to provide a support. Below that, it may crash for $8 levels. On the upside, above 8.7, you can again look forward to 8.8 and $9 levels. Beyond 9, it will fly. So this is what only long entry definitely is above 8.7. And if you want to take a short entry, either you can take it 8.58, where you can expect 8.55, 8.5 to provide a support, and below 8.5 this is directly going to lentil towards 8.4 and 8.3 levels. So take your entries accordingly. Above 8.7, yes, you can stay long. Below 8.58, yes, you can go short. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss in between 8.5 and 8.7. Wherever you take a position, at least keep your stop loss at cost, such that in case of a reversal, you should not lose out on your profits. So take your trades accordingly, trade profitably, have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do not miss to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, my Telegram free channel link is also mentioned. Join that channel also. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.